Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. So to do this, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, select power and sleeping settings, and once they load, select energy saver, expand this list, and then if you want to enable it manually, switch the toggle to the right, and this way you will enable energy saver. You can also set a battery level at which you want the energy saver to turn on automatically by expanding this list and selecting the value from it from 10% to 50%. And this additional setting also lets you decide whether you want to lower your screen brightness when the battery saver is enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.